everyone, welcome back to this channel. And today's video I'm going to show you how to add or remove videos on YouTube Kids. So on YouTube Kids, your kids is basically watch the content or video that is appropriate for them based on their age, but you can also set the videos that you want to your kids to watch or not. So I'm going to show you how. And here is my YouTube Kids apps, and then if you want to do that, you can just click on the padlock icon at the bottom of your YouTube Kids app, and here you need to confirm that you are really a parent. So you just need to answer this question. So this is the what is it, the security questions. You can just type in the question and then click on submit, and in here you just need to click on settings and choose the profile that you want to set or add or remove videos. I'm going to just click on kids profile, and then here you need to type in your password. So later I'm going to blur this part. So after that, just click okay. So here is the profile, let's say that my kids profile, even though I haven't had kids. So I'm going to just you just need to click on the content settings. So your selection impacts the type of the videos available in the app. Just click on edit settings. So here you can choose the your kids age. So there are preschool, younger, or older. So you can also approve content yourself. So just click on this. So if you choose this, your child won't be able to search. So you can click on select, and here channel or the collection from YouTube Kids that you want to be appeared in your kids profile. So just click on the plus icons right here. So this collection has been approved. So you can also search again. So just click on a plus icon like this and click on a plus icon, gaming, art, crafts. So there is also for students or others. So if you want to remove, you can just click on the collection again, and the videos or the contents will be removed, and after that you can just click on done. Okay, so that's basically it, how to add or remove videos on your YouTube Kids. I hope this video will be helpful to you. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you enjoyed the video, please do click on the thumbs up icon. Don't forget to leave a comment and subscribe to our channel. See you at the next tutorial. Bye.